Multiply the Sij, then we will find S11 and S21 or the components of S1 of t and S2 of t. So just substitute the value of Si of t, which is under root 2 by tb cos 2 pi phi t, and value of phi j of t is under root 2 by tb cos 2 pi phi t. Just multiply it, so it is under root tb is outside and the remaining portion is under root 2 by tb which is also constant. But for our solving we can also take it outside, that is under root 2 by tb, that is only 2 by tb will be outside, so we can also write that. Okay? So as we know, the two signals are orthogonal, that is cos 2 pi fi of t, cos 2 pi fit and cos 2 pi fj. The two signals are orthogonal. Okay? The two signals are orthogonal, so Sij Sij will be either under root eb. Okay? So for it is the complete function. You can see it is a phi I of t, it is phi I of t. Okay? We are not writing 2 by tb outside. Okay, sorry. So it is nothing but phi I of t. It is phi I of t. From previous definition we have defined phi of t is equals to under root 2 by tb cos 2 pi phi t. Okay? Okay? So for I, okay, it will be phi I of t, and for j it will be phi j of t. Okay? It is phi j of t and it is phi I of t. Okay? So as we know, the two signals are orthogonal. Okay? The two signals are orthogonal, so it will be either under root eb or 0, because if when I equal to j, it will be this integration term will be 1. This integration term will be 1, so remaining part is under root eb. Similarly, when I is not equal to j, this integration part is 0, this integration is 0, so Sij will be 0. So we have proved that when I equal to j, only, that is I equal to j component is only present, and I not equal to j component is not present, that is I equal to j means 1 1. Okay? S11 is present and S12 is not present. Similarly, for I equal to 2, that is j equal S22 will be present and S21 is not present. So the signal point will be S1. Okay? So only S1 is present, that is under root EB, and S12 is 0. Okay? Similarly for S2, that is S21 is 0 and S22 will be under root EB. So now these are the signal points for the signal space of the BFSK signal, that is the signal point of S1 of t is under root EB0, under root EB0. The combination of under root EB0 for S2 of S1 of t and 0 under root EB for S2 of t. So it will be the message point for S1 of t, which is on the phi 1 axis it will be under root EB, and on phi 2 axis it is 0. So it is the point for S1 of t. Okay? Similarly for it will be the point for S2 of t, that is phi 1 component is 0, phi 1 component is 0 and phi 2 component is under root EB. So it will be the signal space diagram of QPSK signal. So it will be the, so between the mid of the 2 points, okay, between mid of the 2 points we will draw a perpendicular line which shows the decision boundary, that is this part, this circle, this part will be the for S1 of t, and this region is for S2 of t. Okay? And the distance between the 2 points is, you can see here, which is under root 2 EB, which is under root 2 EB. Okay? So for signal point 1, message point 1, M1 or symbol 1, okay? It is for symbol 1 and it is for symbol 0. So for symbol 1 waveform will be like this. Okay? That is low frequency. Okay? You can see here is only 1, 2 and 3 cycles are there. If you consider NC equal to 2, if you consider NC equal to 2, F1 will be 3. Okay? F1 will be 3, I equal to 1 रहेगा. So it will be F1 in one bit duration. In 1 bit duration there are 3 frequency, and I equal to 2, that is F through F2 will be 4. So in BFSK S1 of t is having 3 cycles and S2 of t is having 4 cycles in 1 bit duration. So it will be the waveform for BFSK signal, that is for S1 of t and S2 of t. Okay? Now so it is the signal space diagram. So phi 1 axis and phi 2 axis. Now we can have this signal space diagram include the waveform also. Okay? It is for symbol 1 and it is for symbol 0. Okay? It is for symbol 1, it is for symbol 0. Now BFSK transmitter, so we can realize the BFSK transmitter with the help of above logic, that is you can see here S1 is having under root EB and 0, two components are under root EB and 0, that is when you find S1 of t, S1 of t will be S11 phi 1 of t, S11 phi 1 of t plus 0 phi 2 of t. ठीक है. Similarly S2 of t is equals to 0 plus S2 to phi 2 of t, ठीक है, दैट विल कंस्टिट्यूट द ब्लॉक डायग्राम